What is the one word for, in a condition of biological rest or suspended animation? The correct answer is torpid. What is the one word for, impossible to avoid or evade? The correct answer is ineluctable. What is the one word for, recklessly wasteful? The correct answer is prodigal. What is the one word for, arousing or provoking laughter? The correct answer is risible. What is the one word for, a burdensome or difficult concern? The correct answer is onus. What is the one word for, be deliberately ambiguous or unclear? The correct answer is equivocate. What is the one word for, furnishing added support? The correct answer is ancillary. What is the one word for, equipment consisting of miscellaneous articles? The correct answer is appurtenance. What is the one word for, patent medicine whose efficacy is questionable? The correct answer is nostrum. What is the one word for, a leader who seeks support by appealing to popular passions? The correct answer is demagogue. What is the one word for, dig up for reburial or for medical investigation? The correct answer is exhume. What is the one word for, notched like a saw with teeth pointing toward the apex? The correct answer is serrated. What is the one word for, call together? The correct answer is convoke. What is the one word for, lasting an indefinitely long time? The correct answer is perennial. What is the one word for, stupefied or excited by a chemical substance? The correct answer is inebriated. What is the one word for, temporary living quarters specially built by the army for soldiers? The correct answer is bivouac. What is the one word for, secret or hidden? The correct answer is covert. What is the one word for, a plant or animal naturalized in a region? The correct answer is denizen. What is the one word for, celebrate or enjoy something in a noisy or wild way? The correct answer is carouse. What is the one word for, of or relating to the brain? The correct answer is cerebral.